Hello my lovely friends, I'm happy to see you back at my YouTube channel, and today in this video I dedicate for a very unique strategy where I will use two indicators. So watch this video till the end, and of course subscribe my YouTube channel, follow the news and be part of my beautiful community where I post lots of free signals for your own profitable session. And I believe in you that you can do the same by copying my strategy and using all my useful information to get the life of your dream. So stay tuned and let's begin, friends. Very excited. This video today I will show you an exciting strategy that is designed especially for Quotex. Yes, and let's get started if you are ready. So friends, this will be quickly set up indicators that I need for this strategy, and let's check alligator indicator. Yes, you see it is a really perfect tool that will allow me to see a really precise signal. So but in combination with this tool I will use MACD indicator. Yes, so they're totally different indicators, alligator and MACD. So but in combinations I'm really interested which result they will give me. Here I will keep default settings again. Yes, and this strategy is really good, especially at Quotex, friends. I love the interface so much. I love the settings and all the indicators, and they're working out very amazingly. Yes, you see I have already some currency pairs. Some of them really has good percentage of payout here. Maybe during the session it will be higher and higher. So but anyway, here I can see good situation, friends. Exactly, yes, euro and Australian dollar, and I think I will start my trading session today here. Before we start, my lovelies, I want to remind you about my Telegram channel. Yes, where I share free signals for you for your own profitable sessions. And let's check how my signals are working right now. So take attention, I can see a signal here, this intersection at alligator indicator, and also MACD is looking in up direction, but now I can understand that this is the downtrend. Well, from this resistance level the price is getting lower. Okay, here I want to trade. Yes, with $30 will be fine, and you see I have a pretty small account, and my trade I will do with $30. Be ready for call option right now, and let's go. Well, good result. I'm in a profit. You see the price is getting in necessary for me direction, and that was a really good trade, friends. You see my signals are really working, especially when I use this strategy. So watch this video till the end for sure to understand how this strategy really works and how you can make profit with this strategy here at Quotex, friends. Let's get further and let's check second currency. Yes, euro and US dollar. Percentage of payout here is not so bad. 82 is a very good actually, and unfortunately the situation here is not so perfect as in the previous currency pair. Yes, it's period of correction mainly. You see there is no much changes in the price. Okay, friends, even here I can gain my profit with this strategy. You see there is no signals alligator indicator, the lines are just diverging and looking up a little bit. Okay, what to do? MACD is also looking aside after this small intersection. Here I should pay good attention to the patterns, and that's the key and point of this strategy, friends. That here you can mix signals from indicators with the analysis of the patterns. Okay, I can see pretty good entry point right here, and I will invest my $52. I think, yes, not all my wallet, but again here I will trade mostly with 90% of my wallet, friends. From this point be ready for put option, and let's go. Yes, friends, perfect. I'm in a profit here again, and I managed to gain this money just from the small price changes. Yes, and that's where trades for 1 minute are the best option, I think. You see the market here is rather stable. Yes, there is not much price changes, and here I used 1 minute trade. In 1 minute I can gain this profit from a very small price change, and so very good. But I prefer going to the third currency now, euro and Australian dollar. Yeah, let's get back here because this situation is much more interesting than with the euro and US dollar here, and I see that the alligator lines are looking in up direction, and there are lots of green candles here. MACD is also looking up. See, and even despite the fact that this is a short bodies of the candles and the growth has stopped a little bit, I want to trade, yes, with $90. Perfect. As I said, in this strategy, I invest 90% of my wallet, and in most of the case I will do this. And from this moment, friends, be ready for call option. Right now, let's go. Yes, friends, it was a pretty risky, but anyway, I'm on a profit, and you see very small price changes between my entry point and the moment when the price was closed. But anyway, I'm in a profit here, and I really love my result, friends. You can ask me, Olivia, how do you manage to stay in a profit all the time? And I just follow my strategy, which is very important. And let's have a look at the full picture, full chart. Yes. What we can see in general, it is a downtrend, but the price went in up direction some time back. Yes, also that can happen, and right now MACD is looking in up direction. And if we look even more into details, see, we can see this flat line, right? And I'll just prefer waiting a couple of minutes. And now let's check the first currency, Canadian dollar and Switzerland franc. You see, at the beginning of our trading session, this percentage was a little bit lower, and now what happened? It's rising. That's very good. And if we look at the full picture here also, we understand that this is an uptrend again. But it's not so pronounced in general. In general, it's a period of correction of the market. Yes. If we look, for example, on a bigger time frame, we would notice that this is a stable market anyway, but from a small price changes for 1 minute trade, we can gain our profit very easily. And here I will trade with $175. This is good for me. Step by step, the price has grown for too much. Yes, I like it. So from this point, be ready for put option, and let's go. Good patterns, friends, even despite the fact that now the trend was going in up direction. You see, in this strategy you should also pay attention to the patterns, because the price went up a little bit, but then it goes down because the red candles constantly appear on the chart. Okay, even it is an uptrend. Okay, you should keep this in your mind and remember that always. Now I think this trend is good for us, but I prefer trading with the third currency, with euro and Australian dollar, because this percentage of payout is biggest among all three currency pair. Okay, you see, 90% is a really good percentage of payout, and that's of course one of the reasons why I love trading, especially on Quotex, friends. This platform anyway offers us good quality and good percentage of payout and great variety of currency pairs, and not bad situation on the market right now. So that's why here again I would invest $315. Yes, let it be so. And I like how confidently the price is growing, even on such a small time frame. You see, in general it is a downtrend, but now recently the price has been growing. Okay, moreover, MACD has crossed the equator, but now it's a little bit looking aside. You see, from this moment I wanted to make a put option and be ready now. Let's do this. Let's go, friends. Yeah, good profit. Perfect. You see that trading on Quotex can be rather profitable if you adhere to unique strategy, friends. And you see, I have already $600 on my account. I started just from 30 or around this sum, and I think it's a good profit. What do you say? What do you think about it? I made just a couple of trades and all of them were winning. Yes, that's cool, even despite the fact that on some currencies they were stable market. So what we do now, you see the price is a little bit slowing down its growth. Okay, I think I can wait a couple of minutes. It can be slow, and let's go to the first currency, Canadian dollar and Switzerland franc. Okay, because there is a little bit slight price changes where also interesting for me, and 88% of payout is really cool, and I like that the price here is pretty low because it's an uptrend, but it touches the upper line of alligator. You see this green line, and from this point it's growing. So friends, this is interesting, very interesting for me, and I will definitely enter this deal with the $600. Yes, you see here I trade even more than 90% of my account because the situation is really confident, and from this point let's be ready for call option, and let's do it right now. Well, pretty cool profit, friends, and I really love the situation that I will invest here one more time, but $1,000. Let's do this same for 1 minute and be ready for call option just right now. Yeah, friends, so that was so good. Finally, the price is growing, and I see this by the first trade. I just tested this movement of the price, and finally I increased my investment even more, and of course I'm in a profit now. Yes, the price is constantly growing, so that was a pretty cool trade on this uptrend, and I managed to earn almost $2,000, but I wouldn't stop here. I want to go further to euro and US dollar. Yes, the situation was really nice. I want to check it again here. Really interested in this chart, but the situation is not so clear. You see, it's still a flat line, so the price is going down and then rising again. Let's check the second currency, euro and US dollar here. Okay, there were a flat line for a long time, but let's see what happened. Oh, this situation is really interesting because the price here is pretty far above the general price movement. It is growing, yes, super, and moreover we have this intersection at MACD. Look, I think that's an exciting signal in this strategy for me. That's exactly what we are looking for, remember this. And here I can trade, yes, I think only with $1,000. Let it be just the half of my wallet, as the price is really too high even despite the signals. So I trade just with half of my wallet, $1,000. I don't use 90% of my wallet. So from this moment, be ready for call option right now, friends. Well, good, I'm in a profit, friends, but you see, now this candle is red and it's going down. You see, I'm in a profit, but in general, the tendency has changed. And now the price is going down, so that was smart of me to trade just with half of my wallet, friends. Anyway, trade for 1 minute allows me to gain profit from such a small price changes. Yes, and 1 minute was pretty enough for me to get my profit, but I prefer to go to another currency. Let's go. We will check first one, Canadian dollars and Switzerland franc, but maybe here the situation will be also nice and I get my profit. Very interesting thing is happening here because the major flow of the market has made it higher, and the price is going down now. You see, MACD is also looking down. That is a really interesting situation, and I want to enter this situation with $2,000 will be fine. And I see that the price is getting lower and lower now. But from this point, the period of correction can happen pretty rapidly. So be ready for now, put option, and let's do that. Yes, friends, that was very precise trade, and I like it. I managed to enter this deal exactly at the right moment when the price was moving down. So still 1 minute is pretty enough to gain my profit from a very small price movement, and I want to enter this deal again. Yes, for sure. And here I also want to increase my investment. Already, as I see that this green candle started to grow, it is an excellent opportunity for me. So yes, 1,000 is my investment. And I want to trade with 3, I think, because I want to get more profit from this trade right now. And yes, good to enter the deal here and from this moment way up, and let's go. Well, friends, this is a really great and super crazy result and a very, very good profit. I really love this. This moment the price went in up direction, and I really appreciate this trade because it was a unique situation. Yes, you see, many people can think that technical indicators are incredibly shallow, but in this strategy, look, you see they play an important role as well as the technical analysis. Yes, by myself for getting my best signals, friends. My lovely friends, thanks for watching. It was absolutely amazing trading session and all my trades were winning, and now you know which indicators to use to get the same result. And I really believe in you. You can just be part of my beautiful community. Text me on my Telegram channel and you can get all this useful information, all these free signals and unique strategies for your own profit or a bigger profit. So friends, I'll see you very, very soon, and step by step, keep going on and you will get the life of your dream. I really believe in you. Bye bye.